Hello everyone, hope you guys are doing well and you're enjoying the new year. In today's video, I wanted to talk about how drums really shape your song and the sound you are going for in your project or beat. Drums are really something you must not miss while you're creating your beat because it's a guiding element to the genre of any song. Like when people hear a song, the one thing that determines what type of song that is the drums. Also, knowing what type of drums or what genre you want to produce even before you open your door would make the whole process less overwhelming. That is, you finish more of your beats. So, let me demonstrate with this short loop I created. I have my main melody, which are just some chords on an electric piano, pads, and I have this percussion loop, and then my tag, of course. So, let's hear how it sounds now. So, of course, once anyone hears this loop, there are some different ideas that might be coming to your mind, different type of genres that you might be thinking, okay, this is what would go with this kind of loop. For me, it's Afrobeats, and as you can see, I already put in some other elements of the beat and other effects too. Let's go into the drum pattern. So the drum pattern I use is quite basic and it's just 8 bars long. This is what it sounds like. It's a quite simple drum pattern when you look at it. Although I also have this percussion, like I said earlier, I have this shakers too that is going to be playing alongside it. And when you play everything together like that, it actually makes the drum sound way better and way fuller. So that's another thing. You can always add percussion loops to beef up your drums. So with the drums down, let's listen to how it now sounds with the other elements in the song. Sounds pretty sick, right? Now, because what I initially felt would go was the Afrobeat drums, doesn't mean other drums won't work with it. Let me just demonstrate with adding another type of drum pattern into the song. A very simple trap type drum pattern. Let's listen to how it sounds with the other elements in the song. Like I said, drums are a key factor that determines song genre, so I guess it makes sense to learn how to create different drum patterns based on the type of genre you want to produce. However, let me know what you think of this video. Kindly give a thumbs up if you found anything helpful in this. Drop a comment for any questions you have, and I'll be sure to answer them in the comment section. And if you're new here, you can subscribe so you don't miss any of these type of videos. Till next time, I am RDMT.